Hey, hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Let's go ahead and take a look at what the Bitcoin price is doing today. So as you can see right now, Bitcoin is actually in green. It's up about 0.58%, but during the early hours of today, we saw Bitcoin reach up to $28,000, which was quite a huge drop. We actually broke the $30K support and wicked down. So today I want to talk about the recent FUD in the market. China has banned the mining of cryptocurrency. It has asked all of its mining plants to shut down immediately. In fact, the last of the mining plants were shut down just a day before, and as of now, no mining plants are present in China. So, this is the main reason why the market has been really red for the past couple of days. In this video, I'll be telling you guys why China shutting down all the mining plants is actually a good thing. So, until now, China has hosted almost 75% of the total Bitcoin mining network, making many people ask the question that has Bitcoin mining become way too centralized, making the whole Bitcoin asset class itself centralized? So now this can be debunked. China no more has almost 75% of the total Bitcoin mining network. The total mining network can be redistributed among various places around the world, hence making Bitcoin more decentralized than ever. The whole idea of Bitcoin was to be decentralized, and China hosting almost 75% of the total mining network was a bit concerning to many people, and it was also used as a hedge against Bitcoin and its decentralization. But not anymore. Since China has closed down all its mining plants, there is literally not one mining plant present in China right now. It gives place for more countries to get involved in Bitcoin mining, and that is what is going to happen. Bitcoin is not going to go anywhere, and it is going to be more decentralized than ever. There's also one more thing. China has already banned Bitcoin a lot of times. It has, over the past 10 years, China has almost banned Bitcoin 30 times, I believe. I don't know the exact number, but it keeps on banning Bitcoin every now and then. There's also a lot of other platforms which China has banned. During some point of time, YouTube, Google, Gmail, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter were all banned in China. So China isn't new to banning things, and Bitcoin has been being banned over and over again. But it has not done anything to affect Bitcoin. Bitcoin is here still, even though after China banning it almost 30 times, and it's here to stay. The last thing I would like to say is, when in doubt, zoom out. Here is the price history of Bitcoin, which dates back to 2010. During then, it is actually really crazy to think about it now, that the price of one Bitcoin was just 5 to 6 cents, but it was true. In 2010, one Bitcoin was worth only 5 cents, and in 2011 it was almost worth $3, and we've been seeing an upward trend. So from the price of Bitcoin going from 6 cents to $60,000 is unimaginable. Irrespective of all the other noise that is surrounding Bitcoin, it stands the test of time. So this is also going to be a small blip which will probably go unnoticed in the next 5 years. But the people who cashed in on this buying opportunity are the ones who will be without any regrets. The ones who sold right now will probably be the ones who regret when Bitcoin reaches 6 figures, which is going to happen sometime in the future, but it is almost a certainty that it will happen. Hence, think twice before selling your Bitcoin. Thank you guys. See you guys in another video. Bye bye.